Hi, this is Avneeta Beer from RN Podar School. When I joined the school 13 years back, it was still a young school with 1,000 students, a school still in search of its identity. Routine problems like putting systems and processes in place, developing trust with students and teachers, and creating a reliable team of teachers kept us busy for a while. That created a strong foundation for the school, which had grown to around 2,500 students by then. Our parents were happy, our students felt at ease, and we had a great team trying its best to sustain the brand. But once the euphoria settled down, we were left craving for more. We started to question our definition of best and tried new approaches. Well, the industry name for this is innovation. That's when we came across Google Apps, Khan Academy, and the concept of flipped classrooms. We tried flipping our lessons and realized the potential of this revolutionary approach in our large classes. In this process, we found the answer to our craving. This was the beginning of our transformation. From a school that the students trusted to a school that trusted its students. Want to know our story? Come along. She is Trupti and she is adding students to the Google group. Google has been generous enough to give customized GAF accounts for all our students and teachers. Google Groups have now replaced our yesteryear's diary-based communication with students and parents. All that a teacher needs to do to send information to the students in her class is to just click the send button. Yes, it's that simple now.
It saves a lot of my time using Google Groups for sending circulars or homework to my students.
Getting a GAF account not only made communication easier for all of us, it also brought a range of apps along with it, like the Google Calendar. Dolly is our headmistress.
A major part of my job is to allocate the common resources. So, like every school, we also share common resources like the library, hall, and the allocation of these common resources as per the teacher's requirement is quite a challenge owing to the highly flexible lesson plans. The teachers would have to check with me, and I in turn would have to check with the other teachers before I could allot. But now, with the shared Google Calendar, there is no going back and forth. The availability is displayed real time, and the teachers can now choose and book it themselves.
So you see how integration of technology has made life easier for all of us. But what about the classroom? That's Nitika and she's going to teach?
English for class 12.
Great. So would you share with us how you prepared for your lesson?
So we have been using Google Sheets for our plan of work for the entire year. All the teachers of one subject collaborate on one sheet and write their inputs. The best part is that we don't need to be physically present together to do this. I can do it from anywhere. Then I prepare my presentation based on the POW ahead of my class. I include videos from internet and other material to deliver my lectures. Sometimes I also give them tests or forms to gauge their understanding. Our flipped approach helps me greatly because I get to see how many students are doing their homework diligently and how many need help in the class.
In my imagination, this is how a 21st century teacher looks like. She collaborates to make her content richer, uses the infinite pool of knowledge on the internet to power her delivery, and delegates the mechanical job to a machine so that she could focus more on being the facilitator in the class and ensure that every student gets her attention. We believe that the future of learning will be driven by
Collaborative technology that brings the power of all in one.
A classroom that lets every student learn at their own pace.
A framework that lets the teacher help the child when they need her the most.
We are proud to be a school where this is possible.
a major credit goes to Google for letting us think beyond the West.